In this video, I will guide you on how to insert an SD card to your Samsung Galaxy A07. Now with an SD card, you should be able to expand the storage of your Samsung Galaxy A07, and to insert any SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, it should be a MicroSD card, and then you also need a SIM card ejector tool, just like this one over here. This should actually come inside of the box of your Samsung Galaxy A07, but if you do not have yours, you can as well just go ahead and get any pin or tiny material that can actually enter this SIM card tray over here on our Samsung Galaxy A07. Once you have your SIM card ejector tool or your pin, whichever one, you just want to go ahead and insert it inside of this little hole over here. Make sure you strongly press on it until the SIM card tray actually pops out of the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now you can literally see mine has just popped out, so you just want to go ahead and remove it with your finger now. If your Samsung Galaxy A07 is on, you should actually see a notification letting you know that your SIM card tray has actually been removed, but you don't have to worry. At this point, you want to go ahead and get your SD card. Mine is literally over here, and then you can see from over here that the first and the second option we have on the SIM card tray is actually for our SIM cards, and then the last one we have over here is for the MicroSD card. So with your MicroSD card, just like so, you want to go ahead and just insert it. Make sure you flip your MicroSD card this way. So here you're going to see the silver lines or gold lines. You want to flip it backward and then just insert the SD card just like so into the SIM card tray or the MicroSD card slot on your SIM card tray. You can literally see how it fits. So if yours does not fit this way, then you might actually run into some errors. And then you can now come back to your Samsung Galaxy A07, go ahead and carefully insert it inside of your Samsung Galaxy A07. If you have your SIM card still with the MicroSD card, then make sure you keep it flat this way, and then your Samsung Galaxy A07 as well flat. You just want to carefully insert it so that it does not shake, and then you just want to carefully insert the SIM card tray into your Samsung Galaxy A07. Now once it fits and then covers up just like so, you want to just tap on the button on your Samsung Galaxy A07, and if I open up my device now, then just go into the file manager. So here are my files. You can now see that I have an SD card which is currently being inserted into my Samsung Galaxy A07. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.